Yeah, wanna hear myself? We about to drop. You can bring the beat up a little bit in the headphones. Bring the beat up a little bit. We about to drop. We about to drop, yeah. I got moxie. I'm so damn foxy.
We've got some turmeric, salt, lemongrass powder, curry powder, and some cumin. Some chili, some garlic, a large onion, some ginger, the juice of half a lemon, and a can of coconut milk. You can use whichever veg you prefer, but what we're going to use today is pak choi, mange tout, and mushroom, and some udon noodles. I'm using silken tofu, which has a high water content, and you really need to try and take out as much of that water as you can. To do that, just line a plate with some kitchen roll, put the tofu on top, cover it with another layer of kitchen roll, and weight it down. You just need to leave it like that for about 30 minutes to an hour. First thing we're going to do is make a paste, and we're going to take all of these ingredients that you can see, put it in a blender and mix it up. We're going to add a little bit of oil to help this mix. I've got a pan here already, and I'm going to add this paste to it. There's no oil. And we're going to let this cook out for about 2 minutes. So now this has been cooking out for a couple of minutes, I'm going to add some coconut milk. I'm also adding a spoonful of brown sugar, but this is optional. As the paste and the coconut milk are quite rich, you might actually want to add a drop of water as well. We're going to leave that to cook on a low heat for about 10 minutes. Okay, so whilst the sauce is cooking, we can start on the tofu. What I've got here is a mix of corn flour and plain flour, and I'm simply coating the tofu in that, and then I'm going to put it in the oil to fry until it's nice and crispy. Don't put too much in the pan, you don't want to crowd it. Just as the tofu is just about to finish off cooking, we're going to start the vegetables. First I'm going to fry the mushrooms. We're going to cook the mange tout for about a minute or two. We're going to do the pak choi for another couple of minutes. Last thing to add to this soup before we put it all together is the udon noodles. This packet here, together with the veg, is enough for 2 people. Okay, so we're going to put all of this together now. First of all, we're going to spoon some of the noodles into the bowl. And then just pour some of the soup on the top. And then lastly, the tofu. Some coriander and a few bits of chili. And some chives.
Block me like cops and paparazzi. Full stop, don't copy. Just copy properly. Everybody say policy. Universal equality. Responsibility. To survive economically. Some people do it comically. Future freedom, equality. Invest your money properly. People owe me apology. Intellectual property. Stealing stolen.